My friend, this is a mandolin, and this is the song Are You Lonesome Tonight? We're doing it in the key of G, because why not? G major. We, after G major, have an A minor. After A minor, you can either scoot this up a whole step and play a B minor, or move this finger down here to get a B minor. Kind of looks like a D major. It's relative minor. Throws in the B note. If that's too heavy, don't worry about it. Check out the channel, learn a little bit of theory, and come on back. G major, A minor, B minor, C major. We could have a D major or a D major. Either one, you can throw down a bar and then throw down your C major. Just scoot it up, bar it on out, leave that birdie flying high, skip that third fret in its entire ta. We can then scoot this from our G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major to our E minor. Play it this way, or you could turn it around and use the notes up here, but I would suggest just throwing it this way, or taking our D major, scooting it up, and then changing our third so it's a minor third. Nice. And then, as always, you can play a diminished by always concentrating on 4-string instruments. Can I play my 5 chord as a dominant? If you don't know what that means, again, check out the channel. Figure out what a major is, a major 7, and then a dominant 7. So in the key of D major, D major, D major 7, D dominant. Guess what? This chord is going to sound like your F sharp diminished. Now, it is built out a little bit different. For the course of these songs, it's always going to be like this. G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor. Our F sharp diminished, and then right back into G. So for Are You Lonesome Tonight, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, 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 strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. Pick up note, are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? We're going to be playing a quick E7, which means we're going to take our fingers, move it to our D shape, go up to our E, and then put down our middle finger on the 5th fret to get our E7, our dominant moving chord. And then we're going to play back into an A minor. Here comes a D7. Now we can play it out like this and throw down a 3rd finger. Or we could play the D shape we're talking about and move our pinky through the D, through the major 7, the C sharp, and find ourselves on the C natural at the 3rd fret, which I really like, because it allows me not to hit any pesky open notes by accident. Whoop, 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 whoop. Lonesome tonight, do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the G7 chairs in your parlor C seem empty and bare? A7, when we play A major, same thing we would do that we did when we explained through D is now with the A major. Nice little passing chord all the way through to it. And then we're going to round about it with a D7 to a G to an A7 again. D7 to G. Now, the best thing about a mandolin, if you're playing with other people, yes, play this ostinato type function where you're like. One of the little caveats I like to do is know that G major goes to an A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, so on and so forth. Just the scale, the diatonic 7. So if you could see them as 2-note variances, you can do little trills with that 8th note while the guitar parts are going, are you lonesome tonight? You could be going. Nice when you go into the A minor. You would just move to A minor, B minor, C major. Heck, if you're adventurous, go to the D and back to C. Oh, such great caveats. Hey, anywho, if you enjoyed the song, thumbs up, put something kind and considerate and fun in the comment section, and let me know a song that you would like to hear. Aloha.